Hi, this is Steven from Swiss Link Military Surplus, your favorite Army Navy store online. Today we're talking about the Esercito Duffle Bags. Now in a previous video we talked about the small duffel bag. In this video I want to talk about the large duffel bag. This is a fairly large duffel bag. Again, Esercitos for the Italian Army. This bag will come with a slot for your travel tags, your business cards, whatever you want to put in there to identify the bag is yours. It has carry handles on top, has your standard strap on the top, and it has one pocket on the side. Again, I said this is the large bag. They're in fairly good condition. They're not used, so there might be, a couple stains here and there on them. They were previously issued. I want to take a minute to show you just how much this bag will hold. It's designed a little bit more like a suitcase than a duffel bag. So first of all, you've got the big side pocket. And what I put in here is a grenade case. You could put a medical case in here, whatever you wanted to fit in here. It's a fairly large space, will carry a lot of stuff. The bottom, as I said, more like a suitcase. It's got the four stands for you. Now let me show you what we can get into here. As we unzip this, we'll undo the straps in front. We'll unzip the main case. I should probably turn it around for you. Getting caught in the tag. Holds a lot of stuff. Okay? It just keeps producing goods. This case holds everything, including the kitchen sink. You can store all kinds of stuff in this case. It just keeps delivering space like you wouldn't believe. And there you go. It's finally empty. As I said, it's got a pad on the bottom, so it's built a little bit more like a suitcase. Opens from the side, but when you're all done with it, folds flat, sides under the bed, put it up on the shelf, whatever you want to do. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.